Don't buy these amazing, classic used cars because they will make you broke. And I'm not talking about expensive cars. No, in fact, these 7 cars I'm about to show are really, really cheap, but will bankrupt you slowly, draining your wallet day by day. Let me explain. 1999 Astin Martin DB7. The DB7 continues a legacy of the revered DB series, paying homage to the visionary David Brown and steering Aston Martin through defining moments. And in 1999, the dawn of the Vantage marked a pivotal moment, echoing with the power and prestige of Aston Martin's formidable past. The first Aston Martin has a thunderous V12 engine, boasting a staggering 420 horses under the hood. It's not just brute force, it's a meticulously crafted symphony of power and finesse, delivering a surge of adrenaline. With performance that eclipsed its predecessors, the Vantage soared to a top speed of 186 miles per hour, blitzing from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. With the 1999 Vantage, we witnessed subtle yet impactful refinements, redesigned wing mirrors, beefier fog lamps, details that elevate its road presence. Every curve and contour tells a story of aggression tempered with grace, screaming Aston Martin from every angle. Can you imagine the thrill of gripping the wheel of the 1999 DB7 Vantage? Precision meets responsiveness as you tackle winding roads with ease. And the symphony of that V12 engine. It's pure automotive poetry in motion. But wait, let's pump the brakes for a second and talk about what's lurking under that shiny hood. Why, you ask? Well, it's simple. The DB7, while a stunner, is a headache to own. It's got parts from here, there and everywhere – Jaguars, Ford, even a Mazda and a Citroen. Sure, that sounds like a parts scavenger's paradise, but the catch is the unique Aston parts. They're pricey. Plus, when something goes awry, and it will, you'll need a specialist who knows their way around an Aston. And they charge like they're the only ones in the universe who can fix it, which might just be true. The 1999 DB7 holds a special place in the heart of collectors worldwide. With just over 7,000 units produced, it strikes the perfect balance between exclusivity and accessibility. And the price tag? A pristine model can fetch anywhere from $30,000 to $60,000, a small price to pay for a piece of automotive history. But will you be able to really keep it? Well, let's talk about another classic now. Mercedes-Benz SLR230. Meet the Mercedes-Benz SLR230. It's more than a mere car, it embodies elegance and cutting-edge technology. Born in 2001 as the successor to the R129 model, the R230 revolutionized automotive excellence with its groundbreaking features that pushed boundaries and set new benchmarks. What sets the R230 apart? And why does it continue to mesmerize car fanatics worldwide? Well, performance. At the heart of the R230 are its robust engine options, ranging from the reliable V6 in the SL350 to the mighty V12 in the SL600. The SL55 AMG, featuring a supercharged V8 engine, provided an exhilarating performance that could thrill even the most seasoned drivers. Beyond sheer force, the R230 aimed to deliver a seamless and sophisticated driving experience, turning every trip into a memorable escapade. Plus, the R230's design departed from convention, boasting sleek lines and a retractable hardtop that demonstrated Mercedes-Benz's dedication to innovation. Inside, the cabin served as a luxurious retreat, featuring premium leather seats and state-of-the-art technology that catered to every whim of the driver and passengers. A timeless gem today, the Mercedes-Benz SLR230 stands as a modern classic, celebrated for its enduring excellence and dependability. Acquiring an R230 is akin to owning a work of art, ensuring that each model remains a standout in automotive history. But the current market value of the Mercedes-Benz SLR230 hovers around $20,000, offering an accessible entry point into the world of luxury sports cars, renowned for unrivaled performance and prestige. What is the catch? It's all in the details. You see, this car has quirks, a lot of them. The roof mechanism? Some marvel of modern engineering, sure, but with a lot of issues, and those gizmos that were once cutting edge are now old. And that roof we talked about? When it decides to throw a tantrum, you'll need a specialist who can fix it up at a hefty price. Plus, you can't just ride this thing. The suspension and almost every comfort feature are not good. Sure, this thing is a versatile companion that excels on any road, be it coastal highways or bustling city streets. Its ability to adapt to diverse driving conditions and its innovative features elevated the driving experience from ordinary to exceptional. But times have changed. Unless you're one of those few who are willing to put in the time, money, and tender loving care, this car can't be tamed. And if you are, just be sure you're ready for the commitment. Because let's face it, nothing worth having comes easy, especially not a classic Mercedes. But I might have found something else that was more interesting. 2003 VW Phaeton. Get ready to be wowed by the engineering marvels beneath the Phaeton's sleek exterior. Offering a range of engine options from the zippy V6 to the powerhouse W12, this beast is a true force. Take the 4.2-litre V8 for example, a powerhouse delivering an impressive 335 horsepower. But it's not just about raw power, it's the seamless blend of power and refinement. With a finely tuned suspension system, the Phaeton doesn't just drive, it glides effortlessly over any terrain with the grace of a ballerina. It's like driving a vehicle that seamlessly blends luxury with top-notch performance. The 2003 VW Phaeton represents a pivotal moment in Volkswagen's story, a daring leap into the fiercely competitive luxury segment. It was crafted as a full-size sedan to challenge titans like Mercedes and BMW, but the burning question remains: does it still stand tall in today's ever-changing automotive scene? The Phaeton still turns heads with its timeless charm. Its exceptional build quality is a testament to Volkswagen's commitment to durability and sophistication. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on cross-country adventures, the Phaeton radiates confidence and reliability that spans generations. You see, Volkswagen's bold move to elbow its way into the luxury car VIP room with a car to outshine the big boys, Mercedes, Lexus, you name it. Well, it worked. But that VW badge didn't quite scream elite, which meant its value dropped faster than a lead balloon. Now, you can snag one for the price of a decent laptop. It's an enticing option for savvy buyers in today's automotive market, priced between $3,300 and $36,000, depending on factors like condition and mileage. It's a steal for luxury seekers on a budget. This perfect balance of affordability and refinement positions the Phaeton as the go-to choice for value-conscious enthusiasts. But here is the thing, this car had an air suspension that really bothers a lot of people, because it crashes a lot, and fixing it, that'll cost you a pretty penny, more than the car itself maybe. And remember, the car shares its DNA with the likes of the Audi A8 and Bentley Flying Spur, which means parts and labor costs are high. Look, I get it. This thing is a seamless fusion of luxury and sophistication. It's the vehicle of choice for those who appreciate subtlety. Just remember, with great luxury comes great responsibility, and possibly great repair bills. But let's move on to another disaster. 2005 BMW M5 E60. Picture this, you're cruising down a scenic highway. The 2005 BMW M5 E60 roaring with its V10 engine's powerful tune. Can anything beat the exhilarating connection you feel with this beast? The perfect combo of strength and precision that ignites your spirit. Well, it did for many people. This performance sedan is not just any car, it's a work of art, blending the practical luxury of a sedan with the heart-pounding thrill of a supercar. But there is more to it than just that. First up, the heart-racing performance of the E60. It packs a punch with its 5-litre V10 engine, churning out a hefty 507 horsepower. Imagine the adrenaline rush as this powerhouse propels the M5 from 0 to 100 km an hour in a mere 4.7 seconds. In today's fast world, these stats demand admiration, with each gear shift acting as a forceful melody guiding you towards automotive paradise. Now let's talk aesthetics. The E60 embodies BMW's commitment to refined sophistication. Its sleek contours and bold lines exude confidence, hinting at the power lurking beneath the surface. Step inside to find yourself surrounded by a plush yet sporty ambiance, where every aspect is carefully designed to elevate your driving experience. But beyond the specs lies the true enhancement of the E60 M5. It's all about the emotional journey each time you hit the road. The symphony of the V10 engine, the finesse of the SMG gearbox, every drive evolving into an unforgettable adventure. And despite its age, the allure of the E60 remains timeless. Pristine models continue to capture attention on the streets, showcasing the enduring excellence and classic design of this automotive icon. Plus, priced between $15,250 and $30,000 depending on condition and mileage, the E60 M5 offers enthusiasts and collectors a mix of performance and investment potential that's hard to ignore. Unless you know the truth, these numbers are just the tip of the iceberg, because the E60 M5 is known for its rod-bearing issues, and that amazing SMG transmission has become almost out of function. Imagine this: you're behind the wheel, the engine's roaring, you're the king of the road. And then bam, the SMG decides it's done shifting gears for you. Suddenly, you're not just paying for parts, you're paying for a specialist time, and those specialists are like wizards, rare and costly. This might seem like a crazy and unique car, but I have something even better. 2003 Mazda RX-8. In a piston-powered world, Mazda throws a rotary wrench with this 2003 legend. But the RX-8 is more than an engine. It's an adrenaline shot on wheels. Forget jerky engines, embrace a smooth, high-rev rush. The RX-8's rotary heart isn't about brute horsepower. Though its 189 to 238 horses pack a punch, it's the surge to a wild 8,500 RPM redline, pinning you to the seat. It's not just fast. The RX-8 isn't just a performer either, it's a showstopper. Sleek lines meet an aggressive stance, amplified by the iconic freestyle doors. Forget backseat struggles, these open like a movie entrance, making them surprisingly practical. But the beauty goes deeper. These doors stiffen the chassis for razor-sharp handling, and inside the cockpit, it's pure connection. Hugging seats hold you tight, while the gauges deliver information in a clean layout. Mazda engineers are clever. This isn't a car, it's an extension of you. Even today, the RX-8 has a devoted following, and it's not just misty memories. Mazda tamed the rotary's quirks, creating a reliable daily driver that devours weekends at the track. Used models range from $4,950 to $7,260, offering a thrilling experience without breaking the bank. But owning this beauty isn't just about the thrill, it's about the bills that come with it. This thing is known for being thirsty for oil. But that's not all. There's more to it than just a fuel delivery system. Airbag issues and suspension problems are also common. And the parts for this beast aren't just lying around at your local auto shop. No sir, they're as rare as a unicorn, and they come with a price tag that'll make your bank account do a double take. But the RX-8 goes beyond price. It's a gateway to a passionate community that celebrates the rotary's unique soul. It's about sharing knowledge, experiences, and the joy of a different kind of performance. Because the RX-8 isn't just a stat sheet car, or at least that's what some people think. But what do you think? Is it worth more? 2003 Maserati Quattroporte. Get ready to unleash your inner champion as we introduce you to the iconic 2003 Maserati Quattroporte. Bid farewell to the mundane and embrace the extraordinary with this Italian masterpiece that seamlessly combines elegance with heart-pounding performance, making heads turn wherever it roams. Under the sleek exterior lies a powerhouse waiting to be unleashed. Lift the hood to reveal the beating heart of this beast, a formidable 4.2-litre V8 engine that packs a punch with a staggering 400 horsepower. But it's not just about numbers, it's about the exhilarating sensation as you're propelled from 0 to 60 in a mere 5.3 seconds, accompanied by the symphony of a roar echoing the Italian spirit. Whether conquering open highways or navigating city streets, the Quattroporte effortlessly commands attention while offering refined performance. Every curve and contour of the Quattroporte's design serves a purpose, seamlessly blending artistry with utility to enhance aerodynamics. The unmistakable Maserati grille stands as a symbol of confidence, inviting admiration at every turn. And when you step inside, you're enveloped in luxury. A sanctuary adorned with hand-stitched leather seats and meticulously crafted wood trim, a testament to Italian craftsmanship that transcends time. As a modern classic, the allure of the Quattroporte remains timeless. So, what's the issue? First off, let's talk about why owning this Maserati could make your wallet wince. From electrical gremlins to transmission troubles, the Quattroporte is known for issues that can leave you stranded, or at the very least, seriously inconvenienced. And let's not forget the suspension woes and engine performance issues. They are really annoying. But the Quattroporte is more than just a car. It's an experience, a sensory journey that captivates from the moment you grip the hand-stitched leather wheel to the exhilarating surge of power with each acceleration. With the Quattroporte, every drive becomes an event, an ode to pure driving pleasure and the pursuit of automotive perfection. But with that being said, those luxurious interiors, they can melt faster than ice cream in the sun, leaving a sticky mess. The engine, while a masterpiece, can throw tantrums with misfires and power losses that'll leave you on a first-name basis with your mechanic. And that suspension system that glides over roads, when it hits a bump, it hits your bank account too. So it's only right that it is astonishingly affordable, with pristine examples fetching between $16,050 and $21,150. But what about this next one? 2001 Range Rover. Imagine you're cruising scenic mountains, wind is in your hair, breathtaking views sprawl before you. This isn't a nature show, it's your reality in the 2001 Range Rover. And unlike most off-roaders, you'll be conquering it in plush comfort. Land Rover builds vehicles that excel in tough conditions. The 2001 Range Rover embodies that spirit. It's not just an SUV, it's decades of engineering expertise designed to devour any terrain without sacrificing comfort. Pop the hood to find a worthy heart, the 4.6-litre V8. It's powerful with 222 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque, but it is also smooth, giving you confidence on any surface. The intuitive four-wheel drive system seamlessly distributes power for traction, keeping you in control. And a smooth shifting automatic transmission completes this impressive package. The 2001 Range Rover conquers the wilderness in style, and the imposing exterior commands attention, but with an elegance that sets it apart. But on the inside, sumptuous leather seats and real wood trim create a luxurious, inviting atmosphere. It rivals top-tier sedans in refinement, but with added functionality for adventure. Even today, the 2001 Range Rover turns heads. It's a testament to Land Rover's quality. Well-maintained models are prized possessions, reminders of an era when luxury and ruggedness were mutually exclusive. The good news? The 2001 Range Rover is surprisingly affordable, with a market value of $1,301 to $4,387. It's an attainable dream for many, but the true value goes beyond the price tags. It's about owning a piece of history, the pinnacle of luxury off-roading. And it's also about draining your wallet. Everything looks fantastic on the outside, but there can be quite a bit of drama behind the scenes. Why? Well, it's all about the upkeep. The Range Rover is known for its air suspension issues, head gasket leaks, and let's not even start on the electrical gremlins that seem to have a mind of their own. These aren't just minor inconveniences, they're the kind of problems that can make your mechanic's eyes light up with dollar signs. So how do these pitfalls unfold? Imagine you're out conquering the wilderness when suddenly your chariot decides it prefers to be stationary for no reason. That air suspension that's supposed to glide over rocks, yeah, it might just decide to take a permanent nap. And those electrical issues, they can turn your dashboard into a Christmas tree of warning lights. The 2001 Range Rover is a statement. It proves luxury and off-road capability can coexist. It's an invitation to experience the world in a unique way. But are you ready to answer the call to the wild? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.